What up, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. And tonight's topic will be again, what? Tesla. Yeah, that's right. I know. Could be boring, but it's actually not. That's the one thing we got going for us, which is pretty cool because Elon Musk is a pretty cool guy. So what I'll be talking about is some of the delivery numbers that came from China and what that means to Tesla stock, uh, the recent sales that had happened on the inside of Tesla, meaning the people that work for Tesla, and ARK Invest, Cathie Wood's new ETF, and what is it? What does it mean? What are they all about? And yes, Tesla is in the ETF if you were curious. So, anyways, today the stock market closed at $1,068.96, which is 1.64%, which is $17.51 to give you an idea. In the morning, we saw a slight sell-off, but it quickly recovered as the day went on. Really well. The overall stock market, I saw some red, but the cruise lines and the airlines came back up and did better. And the reason why is because they're getting more and more reports from Botswana and Africa that the patients are basically what did I say? That they're not getting sick, so that's a positive catalyst. Or they're getting sick, but they're not getting that sick. And the only people that are getting infected are the people that never got the shot. And that's the other one is that the people who got sick are not dying. So there's another positive catalyst. And this sounds like horrible things to say, and they are, but this is a reality that we're living in right now. Apple hit its all-time high today. I was up at 2.28%. It was like 165 the last I checked it, so it's up above that. The banks and the semiconductors sold off, and now going into China and the delivery report numbers, we were expecting somewhere between 55,000 and 60,000 vehicles delivered, and the cars that we got delivered were 52.9K, and that didn't meet the threshold of, and who is in charge. I'm not going to say anything, but some of the insiders, we'll jump in the insiders that sold off today, and that was the reason why some of Tesla could have sold off in the morning. We have these names that don't mean anything now that I just heard this from Elon Musk. But we have the CAO, the CFO, the VP. They were all selling off their shares on November 5th at $980, and they sold between 2,500 and 900 shares each. So that's not that much compared to Elon Musk selling billions and billions of dollars worth of shares. So Elon still now has remaining between 30 and 35% of his shares, which we all know is a ton. And so overall, Tesla stock's doing pretty well. Now jumping into Cathie Woods and her new ARK Invest new ETF. It's the ticker symbol is CTRV, and they're mainly focused on transparency, which is great. I love it. It's beautiful. And it's coming to fruition. They believe if a company's transparent, that's why they do well. It's kind of like 1 + 1 = 2, right? But that doesn't always happen. But they're the only people that, I know of that publish what they sell and bought every single day for free. And to me, when I am in the area, I don't know what's going on, I go to that as my roadmap to rely on and what stocks to go to. So that's just a little piece of tidbit. Their fund index description, I don't know, this is a little bit above my head, but it seeks to provide investment results that closely correspond before fee and expenses to the transparency index, which is TRANSPCY. And that tracks the 100 most transparent companies. And they're looking, and what we're looking for is openness, accountability, and trust. That's what I look for in people that I taught. That's what everyone should be looking for. But in the short term, we're going to jump into Tesla's short-term price projection target thing. And so we got it at 1068, right? And it's bouncing off $1,000 a couple of times. It's bounced off. Keep in mind, my pen's going up and up and up. So the highs are getting higher, the lows are getting higher. And so what I've been told is that you could see Tesla potentially hitting 1,100 by the end of the week, or by the end of the week. And keep in mind, though, if Elon sells any of his shares, that's the reason why Tesla went down, or it could be one of the reasons, I should say. So, and I know that you know this, but on 12/9, we're not supposed to be expecting anything, but you never know with Elon. But I don't have my hopes up for anything, really. But there is something about 12/9. I don't know what it is, though. But if you guys subscribe to my channels and you like these videos, check them out and if you like them, push the like button. It helps the channel out, and you can follow me on Instagram at TuckerMLO. I post a lot of Elon Musk, what he does on Twitter, and some of it's helpful and some of it's helpful. All right, peace out. Late.